Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to record multiple TikTok sounds. So, you're gonna want to go to this icon right here, the very top one, under the padlock one. And you can add a sound from TikTok's page, right? But you can only add one. So how do you add multiple? You're gonna want to record a video containing the second audio you want to add, and then tap on overlay. So just pretend that this is the second audio. Once you do that, you're gonna want to put it off screen, and naturally, if you play, the audio is gonna play, but as you can see, it's here at the end of the screen, so it's not gonna show the video, but instead play the audio. So it's pretty clever. A clever way to beat the system. Since you can only record with one audio, you can use this to add more. And that's pretty much all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Any questions? Feel free to comment down below.